Roger, I think I found something. It looks like a door. I don't know what that is. Come down and look at it. Here. Have this. Want to go inside?
Sure.
Alright. What is this place?
I don't know. Is there a light switch? Oh.
Yeah.
Here we go. Is this where a fake man lives?
Might be. His clothes right there.
Washing
Or his
machine?
disguises for stealing stuff. Or his
Smuggling? We don't
bed.
even know.
Or his bed with his pillow. Like
His sheet.
where he sleeps, I guess.
No mattress.
Yeah. It's
There's
weird.
a statue.
Statue. Yeah. It says my dad's name, Homer Winthrop. Do you think he made this? He might have.
I'm not sure.
I don't know. This is.
He could be an artist.
I don't know if he's an artist or not. My mom never told me, and I don't know. He might be.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Let's go look for more clues about the fake man actually himself. What he does
Yeah.
with that carton. I don't know what that's about.
The carton, yeah.
Let's go find that out.